Finances. The one topic that can make even the bravest of us break into a cold sweat. But fear not, fellow adults. Today we're diving headfirst into the wild world of finance apps. Get ready to laugh your way to financial freedom. Now let's start with Mint. This app promises to turn your financial chaos into financial clarity faster than you can say.
How much?
$62,581.43.
With Mint, you can track your spending, set budgets, and even get your credit score, all in one handy-dandy app. And with rave reviews from users praising its simplicity and effectiveness, it's no wonder Mint is the go-to choice for many budget-conscious adults. Best part?
It's free real estate.
It's free! Yup, you heard that right, $0. Just like the amount of money I've left after my last shopping spree. Next up, we have You Need a Budget, or YNAB for short. Now, don't let the name intimidate you. YNAB is all about giving every dollar a job and helping you take control of your finances like a boss. Users rave about its unique zero-based budgeting approach, where every dollar is accounted for. Plus, with its friendly interface and hilarious tutorial videos, seriously, you'll laugh till you cry. YNAB makes budgeting feel like a breeze. The price tag? Well, it's $11.99 a month, but trust me, the peace of mind is worth every penny. But wait, there's more. Let's not forget about Empower, the ultimate financial companion for those who want to grow their wealth.
And I'm not talking about this. I'm talking about this.
This app offers a comprehensive view of your finances, including investments, retirement accounts, and even net worth tracking. With glowing reviews touting its user-friendly interface and powerful tools, Empower is like having a personal finance guru in your pocket. And the best part? It's completely free. No hidden fees or sneaky charges, just pure financial awesomeness. Last but not least, we have Pocket Guard, the budgeting app that's as easy as pie.
Now I'm gonna put this steaming pie on the windowsill to cool.
Or should I say, as easy as budgeting pie. Pocket Guard takes the hassle out of managing your money by automatically categorizing your expenses, tracking your bills, and even suggesting ways to save. Users love its simplicity and effectiveness, with many praising its ability to uncover hidden spending and help them stay on track with their financial goals. And the cherry on top?
It's free.
It's free to download and use. So why wait? Get your finances in order with Pocket Guard today. Alright folks, let's get down to business. We're putting Mint, YNAB, Personal Capital, and Pocket Guard to the ultimate test. Budgeting for a week of my notorious spending habits. From late-night pizza runs to impulse buys at the pet store. I couldn't resist those puppy eyes. These apps are in for a wild ride. And the results are in. After a week of budgeting madness, Mint, YNAB, Empower, and Pocket Guard each proved to be formidable foes. But there can only be one winner in the battle of the budgeting apps. And that winner is... Pocket Guard. With its user-friendly interface, automatic expense tracking, and helpful saving suggestions, Pocket Guard takes the crown as the reigning champion of budgeting apps. But hey, remember that personal finance is, well, personal.
It's personal.
So find the app that works best for you and start mastering your money like a pro. Well, folks, that's a wrap for today's hilarious finance apps showdown. Whether you're a Mint enthusiast, a die-hard YNAB fan, an Empower aficionado, or a Pocket Guard devotee, remember that mastering your money is all about finding what works for you. Until next time, keep laughing and budgeting like a pro.